So guys, how to change the font family or style in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. By default, most of the browsers use the Times New Roman font. To use different kind of fonts, go inside the style section. Suppose we want to change font for all of them. As all of them inside the body, so we will call for the body here. Body, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Then write font dash family, clone the font style. Suppose we want to use the Lucida handwriting font. Let's copy it. Then comma. Now if somehow our browser cannot able to find this font, we can give our browser extra options for font. So if this one is not available, our browser will show Comic Sans MS. Copy, paste. You can add as many fonts as you want. Let's add third one, impact. After that, semicolon. Save the document, reload. See, all of them are using Lucida handwriting font. Let's make an error here. Save it, reload. Now all of them are using Comic Sans MS. If we make a mistake here, save, reload. Now they are using the impact. Suppose we want to only change the font for this line. For that, let's give it a class name. Class, double quotation, font change. Then call for the class dot font change, opening brace, closing brace. Inside, let's copy, paste, delete the body style, save, reload. See, only the middle one changed. Now for other styles, font, weight, bold. This will make our font bold. Then font, size. This will change the size of our font. The last one, font dash style, italic. And we are done. These are all of the styles for the font. Save the document, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.